Alright, I'm breaking my own rules on this one, guys. Yes, I am. The accessories. So this is gonna be another unwrapping, unboxing on certain little items that I got for the Brick by Bricks, guys. I got the t-shirt right here. I got some more pieces coming in, but I want to bring you the info as quick as possible. Let's check out the hat. I know which one it is because I've been following this one. I'll get into the info right now, guys. And let's check out the Brick by Brick Jordan t-shirt and see if it was worth, I'll tell you guys the price. It was a little shafty, you know what I'm saying? But I'm really hoping, I'm not really worried about the shirt. I know the shirt, I can match it. That ain't no big deal. But I'm really worried about this one per se. If you see me looking around, I'm looking, the Cleveland. I paid a lot of money for this hat, guys. Because this hat right here is a hat club exclusive. I had to buy it from a reseller. In other words, I can't do nothing about it, guys. It is what it is. I wanted it to match as best as possible when it came to the Brick by Brick. I paid for this hat $110, I think it was. That's the part that's gonna hurt me the most if it doesn't match, because I think I said it in the video that it looks more orange than this. This is not. This is more like a reddish, lava reddish type of thing, guys. It's not orange. One thing is maybe on the footage is right there, but it's different in person, just in case you guys don't have the shoes. I'm just hoping it comes out correctly. You all know the rules already. Let's check them out, man. Hopefully this comes out good. Now I go and I slice it with my Savage Cleaver. I don't got anything over here, right? I don't have to look for the stickers. Let's see, guys. I don't want this thing to be, dude, what are you taping these things with, bro? It's like extra care. Jesus Christ, you know what? Pissing me off, that's what you're doing. Oh, yeah, I think it is, guys. Yeah, I think it will. Looking at it right now. What do you guys think, man? You know, Nigel, I could have gotten just a UM hat or something like that, or a Dolphins hat. But Nigel is from New York. And what is this little thing that they put here? Like a little magnet. I have no idea what the hell that is. Put that right there. I have no idea what that is. And I just realized that this is right here, and I'm not gonna really give propaganda. You know what I'm saying? This person did not take care of the pricing whatsoever. I asked him, hey man, can you hook it up a little bit better? No go. Even though I still I'm waiting for a response from somebody that I buy hats from. You know, every time I send them an offer, they give me the hats at a beautiful price. So guys, what do you think? It's like I said, it's not the exact same orange. Now, can I get away with it? You see the middle? The middle is more of it. You know, if you look at it there, and the middle's maroon. So can I get away with it? I think I can, guys. There you go. What do you guys think? Yes, no, yes, no. You know, it is what it is, guys. You know, the side right there. I think the maroon color is perfect for it. But once again, I think I could get away with it, man. I think I could get away with it. You know, I will put it right here. You guys let me know, man. Yeah, to me, it's way off, guys. To me, it's way off. It's the same with the other one. The Brick by Brick with the New York. I had the chance to buy that hat when it released. I got the notification and everything. And I passed on it because I said, bro, that's a red hat. It says Brick by Brick right here. I'll put the little image right there. I said, that doesn't match at all. It looks orange on pictures. It's a little different. That's a tricky color, guys. It's a tricky color. That's gonna be a very hard color to find, like a perfect one-to-one to that color. But it is what it is. You know, look, I actually, give me 1 second right now. I have this one right here. The New York Yankees also. You see, that don't match, and that's like a maroon. That doesn't match either. Maybe a little bit more, but it's like that doesn't match either. I think I'm probably better off with this one, guys, for now. You know, once again, you end up spending a fortune with these hats. Way too many. Anyways, let's get into these bad boys right here. These bad boys are those sneakers. All right. I got this one, guys, from StockX. Yes, I have another couple pieces coming from Go. And let's see what this is all about, man. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it right there, next to it, right there, so you guys can see it. Yeah, man, this is very, very high quality stuff right here. There it is. This is very high quality, guys. Very high quality. I'll give you the footage right there. Very high quality, brick by brick, all sewn on. The printing very nice on the bike. Air Jordan Imagination in the bottom printed also. But very nice print. And this brick by brick, nice and sewn on. Beautiful. Jumpman logo all the way in the top. Very nice. And in the front, guys, it says Air Jordan Imagination with the Jumpman logo. Like another, the actual Jordan logo is actually very thick on it. Very thick print. Not the back one though. Not the back one. The back one is like a print like this one. But this one, the one in the front, is a lot thicker. Very nice. Well, you guys see it right there. Honestly, I'm doing the footage of me wearing it afterwards. I don't know how it fits as I'm recording this right now. But just so you guys to know, I'm 172 pounds. This is a large. So let's check it out, you know. Oh, let's check it out. Jeez. You guys are looking at it right there. But yeah, guys. And once again, red. You know, of course it's gonna match. It is what it is. The shoe has white, you know. But the hat, man. Yeah, you know what, man? I think I can get away with it. I think I could get away with it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I get away with it. You know, at least this right here. It looks good. You know, I'll tell you one thing. I ain't spending no $100 something again just to match another hat to this one. You know, I don't mind paying money, guys. I don't mind paying money and bringing you guys what I think and all that stuff. But just to buy for no reason, hell no. But guys, that's pretty much it. As soon as the rest of the bike air things come in, I need the pants. I think it is that's still coming in. If I feel like it doesn't deserve it, I'll just put, you know, I'll speak about it in one of the unboxings. But I got the pants, I have the jacket, the jersey, and what is the other piece that I had? There was another piece. I forgot about it. Oh, the black t-shirt. This one, but black. We'll see what it's all about, guys. But there you guys have it. Let me know in the comments, bro, please. If it looks, you know, a little too off. Honestly, I'm still gonna wear it. I had to spend all this for no reason, man. You know, it is what it is. And I'm gonna wear orange. Odds are I'm gonna wear it with my home team or something like that. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I try my best on this one. If I do find anything else, I'll bring it up to you guys. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace.